Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Minecraft launcher and account are signed in. This matters because the launcher pulls updates per account. Next, check your operating system updates, disk space, and network. Insufficient space or blocked ports will stop downloads. Once done, close heavy background apps and temporarily disable any VPN or proxy so the launcher can reach Mojang servers. These first actions eliminate common blockers, and they set you up to apply targeted fixes if updates still fail. You should run the Minecraft launcher as administrator to ensure it can write update files. This prevents permission errors. If updates still fail, clear the launcher cache by removing launcher profiles, JSON, and the launcher cache folder, because corrupt cache blocks version checks. Next, flush your DNS and reset WinSock. This repairs name resolution and socket issues that prevent downloads. Make sure to restart the computer after network reset so services reload, and then relaunch the updater to see progress. You now back up your saves, then perform a clean reinstall of the official launcher if previous steps failed. This replaces corrupted binaries and updater modules. After reinstall, inspect firewall and antivirus rules and explicitly allow the launcher and Java binaries so updates aren't blocked. If it still refuses to update, collect the launcher logs and error messages. These logs reveal missing files, HTTP errors, or permission failures. One key tip: if you see repeated HTTP 403 or 504 errors, try a different network or mobile hotspot to isolate ISP or routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.